They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. Whoa, the summertime. The summertime. I met you in the summer. The summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
The next day.
Kopi ko blanco, kopi ko brown, wala mang isang buwan yan, pencil, cowhead, bumili si mama, kailangan ng gatas, bathroom tissue, yan lang na pamili ko. Magkano ito? Abot ng 4,000. Surprise! Bye-bye! See you! Yay! See you sa vlog! Next vlog. Salamat! Na ako, nagugutom ako. Kakain na kami. Namili na lang po kami sa palengke. I-start po namin dito. Hindi po kami talos ng kamote. Ito po siya. Hindi po kami namili sa dito kami mag-vlog sa labas. Dito na lang po sa bahay. Munggo, mantika, kamatis, sensya ka na Geya, ganyan lang ang ano ko. Tapos yung baon ng mga puto, wow, breadstick, ayan, tapos yung France, food guide, gatas niya, ayan, favorite nyo, ha? Oh. Vegan. Ano? Cheesecake. Pita. Baon niya yan. Oh. Sufarlo. Christmas light. Solar. Ayan, oh. Ito po siya. Ay. Ito po, ayun ano. Sibuyas. Sibuyas ang mahal. Luya. Bawang. Tapos, ito. Malabok namin iglay.
Ay,
Sarap.
palabok.
Bawang.
Dito ang pagkitala.
Dito. Dito, oh. Dito, galunggong. Hirap mamili. Ang mahal. Oh. Dito, tsaka paro. Hipon, ang pangit dito ng mga hipon. Hindi nakalagay sa ano. Game. Hindi ka mukha dyan. Tsaka galunggong, your favorite. Ayan, oh. Favorite mo yan, alam ko. What else? Yung palabok namin. Kanila po. Tapos, mga gulay. Mga gulay. Sitaw. Ampalaya. Ang aking kalaso.
Ano yan?
Kalaso ko, gay, oh. Mahal ng kalaso ko. Mamaya, kainin ko yan. Oh, itong mga ano. Hotdog. Frozen. Mga hotdog. Burger patties. Romer's food. Indonesia.
Ano yan?
Bacon, ham, rolls, yan. Ay, pinalitayin yan natin.
Yung ano?
Kusino. Kusinong bossing, masarap. Ay, hinahanap ko. Ang mag-aaral yan. Ang baka niya. Daling-daling yan. Nagagkalad ng luluto. Yan po palaya, gulay, sitaw, okra. Ang papangit ng mga gulay dito. Yan po dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi naka-shield. Diyan lang. Di ba mukha sa Korea? Kasi naka-grocery ka dyan sa mall. Dito, wala. Wala ka social.
Gucci, Ferragamo. Mamahaling mall. Mga mahal na mall. Ngayon.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.